I'm Howie Slomka with MyAtlLaw, and many clients and prospective clients have the same question. How do I stop a foreclosure on my home? Now, the first answer is the same answer the lender is going to give you, and that is catch up, pay your debt. Unfortunately, for many people, that's not available to them, either because their arrears goes back too far, they owe too much money, or perhaps they're not working now and they simply can't pay or catch up. In that case, my answer and my advice how to stop the foreclosure is this: don't wait. It's very difficult to stop a foreclosure if you come to us the day before it's scheduled. Now, we can stop, and frequently do stop foreclosures the day before they're scheduled, but the client has fewer options then, so please don't wait. Call us promptly as soon as you recognize, really as soon as you get the foreclosure notice. That means your foreclosure is in about a month. Call the firm and make an appointment. There are essentially two routes we can go to stop a foreclosure. One is the bankruptcy route and the non-bankruptcy route. Many clients, by the time they've come to us, have exhausted the loan modification route. I want to just address the loan modification process because it's a great way to stop a foreclosure, and it can refinance the part of your loan that is in arrears. The problem with the loan modification route, let me use my hands here, is that the people who are talking to you about your loan modification are over here. The people at the lender who are talking about foreclosure are over here. They may be 3,000 miles apart in some banks. They'll be in California and in Georgia. And the loan modification people will say, everything looks great, don't worry about foreclosure. But until these people say, we are not foreclosing, they will move together, and if the foreclosure happens, it is too late. Foreclosures cannot be undone, other than in exigent circumstances, which are very rare. So, what do you do if you're facing a loan mod or trying to get a loan mod? Come see us anyway. If the loan mod is not granted, and sometimes they're not, a bankruptcy can be a very good and effective way not only to stop a foreclosure, but to refinance the payments that you've missed. Let me give you an example. If you've missed 12 payments of $2,000 each, you're $24,000 behind. You don't have $24,000. So it'd be very hard to catch up with that. But in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy plan, the foreclosure is automatically stopped on day one. And then we get to put you in a plan that says we're going to catch up, but not in 1 month or two, but in 60 months. You get 5 years with an interest-free loan to pay back to the lender the 12 payments that you've already missed. So it's a very, very favorable way to treat those. And essentially, Congress wrote a law to help keep people in their homes when that happens. So the best way to stop a foreclosure in a case where you know you can't catch up and you know you can't get a loan modification is to come talk to us about a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Other clients maybe don't want a long-term solution. Some clients would like to stop the foreclosure to give them time to move out or to move on. Perhaps they're going through a divorce. And for those clients, there are other options as well that maybe are not so long-term that can succeed in not only stopping the foreclosure now, but making sure that you don't have any personal liability once the home is eventually lost or given back to the bank. They're more concerned with keeping their own money, and I like to say, only taking my keys. Some clients say, I'm okay handing them my keys, but they can't come after my money. And come to us and we can help you with that as well.